Moving brush fire broke out there this morning. The fire was burning along Malibu Canyon Road and Malibu Knolls Road. As CBS 2's Joy Benedict shows us, residents were worried about losing their homes.
It was a rush to Malibu Sunday morning as tropical storm strength winds fueled a brush fire along Malibu Canyon Road. But as alarming as the flames were from the roadway, they were terrifying from Hannah Ashby's backyard.
It was massive. It was huge. I looked out the window and the fire was in our backyard.
She didn't hesitate to grab her dog and get out.
The police and the firefighters were just arriving, and we didn't risk it. We just left.
LA County firefighters didn't waste any time when they got the call at 4:30 in the morning, calling a second alarm and bringing in 200 firefighters on the ground and launching 2 choppers in the air in the dark.
With these winds, it could carry embers sometimes 2-3 miles away, which is our main concern in a wind condition like today.
At issue was a school to the south and a row of homes to the north.
With the water dropping helicopters, we were able to get a fast attack on this fire, extinguish the head of the fire.
Knockdown was called in about an hour. But the fire destroyed almost 5 acres in a short time. The canyon includes a SoCal Edison power station. With it shut down, power was knocked out to thousands of customers. Although no homes burned, Ashby's backyard caught fire, as did her shed, and her neighbor lost a storage bin.
It's just really traumatizing. I mean, it's just happens so often, you know, and the winds are just really bad.
Investigators say the fire started right off the roadway and then quickly spread down the canyon. Although they don't know exactly what caused it, they say at this time they don't suspect foul play.
This is the second fire in the area in a year.
Making this neighbor question whether the winds and fire are worth the hassle to stay in her home anymore.
It's crazy. It's insane.
Joy Benedict, CBS 2 News.